Hello, this is Dwayne Philippi. I'm with CSX Community. We're a block producer on EOSIO chains and a guild on the WAX chain. And if you want to learn more about WAX, if you're new to the ecosystem, today we're going to be talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and how to use CSX's simple distributions.io app to have reoccurring distributions to your NFTs. If you are new to the space and you've heard about digital collectibles and how you can have them verified and be on a blockchain, how you can exchange them in peer-to-peer exchanges. You can see one of our previous videos talking about NFT marketplaces. WAX allows you as a new user right now in a few seconds to get a web wallet and even to get some WAX without any crypto. So if you are new, please go to wax.io. There's a WAX account link. And we do have a video if you want to see what's involved to log in, very simple. But you can even buy some WAX with a credit card if you want to get to this next step and create an NFT. And to set up a distribution. All right, so simpledistributions.io. In our previous video, we created NFTs. And today, we're going to set up a campaign or a distribution to have reoccurring payments or rewards to those NFTs. So when you go to Simple Distributions, just click on the admin button. And you can see Add Distribution requires login. On the top here, we have two logins, the web wallet or Anchor. I'm going to use Anchor in this instance. Great, so we're going to go over a few things today. We're going to add a distribution. And then there's 3 steps on how to interact with the distribution you added. And that'll be registering the NFTs to the distribution, depositing funds, and how to claim. And please stay tuned to our next video where we'll then show you how to send or forward off these NFTs. And in this case, we created the NFTs in the previous video. Today, we're going to drop distributions to them. And in the next video, we're going to send them out to winners, to all you all that put your WAX address in the previous videos comments on YouTube. Once again, we're going to run that same contest for this video. So please do drop your address, your WAX address in the comments just underneath the video. And we'll be doing a draw at the end of August here to win 3 lucky winners. They'll be getting an NFT that has reoccurring payments. All right, let's get to it. So add distribution. All right, so the first thing, what are we going to call our distribution here? We're going to call our CSX WAX Promo 1. Okay. Token contracts. So this is what token on the WAX chain would you like to put in here? So I know that we're going to drop KROWN, and I do know that token symbol. It's KROWN. Now on WAX, I'm going to take you over to a distributed exchange, wax.alcor.exchange, and let's press the markets. This will show you all the different tokens and also non-fungibles. But I am going to go into just a link, little click box here is cross-chain tokens. We click that, we can see some of the tokens that can be used in simple distributions. Some of these are cross-chain, which means that they're not native to the WAX chain, like EOS, KROWN. We also have TLOS and BOID. And we do have one that's native to WAX, which is Karma. Now the contract here is the little thing in brackets. So if we wanted to add Karma, the contract would be the only Karma. So in this case, it's boss for KROWN. Let's see here, KROWN. It's bossibc.io. Let's just add that in there. So bossibc.io. And let's just put that in. I'm not sure if it matters, but ibc.io. Great. Big hats off. It hasn't been said enough of how incredible having cross-chain in EOS is. So hats off to the BOID team. Hats off to BOID and Michael at EOS USA for putting up a relay. All right, so our tokens. So we're going to be dropping KROWN, and our payout. So the amount you want for each period. The period, this is page 1 of 4. The period will come up next, and we're going to do this every 24 hours, and I'm going to drop, I feel really generous today, 2,222.2222 KROWN per period. All right, so next, and here's a claim period. So we're going to have that drop every 24 hours. And memo. All right, I'm going to put in here, claim your KROWN rewards at simpledistributions.io. And I'm just going to direct them to the category, or to the, to the distribution name, CSX WAX Promo 1. All right, next. All right, so which NFTs are going to be eligible for this distribution? So in our previous video, we talked about creating NFTs, and there's always an author and the category. And important detail here, our distribution is going to a category. So you can see we're not listing off all the different NFTs. We're just listing off the category. So I'm going to go over to the WAX Explorer, which is wax.blocks, BLOKS.io. Go into my account, and you pull this up. See down here, there's some chain information, includes what NFTs do I hold in my account. And I've already logged in to Blocks, or to be honest, you don't even have to log in. Just enter your name, your WAX account name, and it'll come up here. All right, so NFTs. This should show me the NFTs I created yesterday. And I'm just going to remind myself of the owner, the author, and the category. And I'm just going to cut and paste, because we're going to have our distribution to all these NFTs that were given out as gifts and rewards. So author, whoops. Let's go back here. Author is our account name. And the category is here. All right, so we're just going to verify those details. So the distribution name, token and token contract name, how many KROWN for how long of a period, the author of the category. Great. And you'll see why I directed you to, if you're new to the ecosystem, if you're doing this distribution, there is a 1 WAX fee. All right, let's create distribution. So opening up my wallet, sign the transaction. Yay! Signed up a distribution. All right. So we called our distribution CSX WAX promo. You can see it right here. Great. So now some of the actions. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to register NFTs on here. And you can see that it's popped up all the NFTs that have been created under the category that we had listed. So under this category. All right, so pops right up. We're going to register them all. Now, these NFTs that are popping up, I just show you, they correspond to the NFTs that I've created. All right, register. Woohoo! All right, so those are registered. Now, the next step is right now, these are being paid out. 2222 KROWN every 24 hours. But there's no balance in here. So that's where the deposit funds come in. All right, so since this distribution's been done in KROWN, it pops right up in KROWN. And I'm once again just going to go over to blocks and just check my account. Now I can come back into that distribution and add funds at any point. All right, so I'm going to send 500,000 KROWN. Now I have those in my my WAX account. Deposit brings up the wallet. Yay! So now we'll see our WAX little promo distribution is funded. Now, the NFTs that are registered here, they currently are owned by myself. So I haven't sent them to contest winners yet. So if I claim here, all the KROWN will be going into my account. So I don't want that to happen, but I also can set something up here that I haven't discussed as a blacklist. So I don't want to pay out myself. So some of these rewards will be sent out in different times. So I'm going to send one out in our next video, and I want that reward recipient to be able to come here and claim their KROWN. If they do that, all of those NFTs under that category will get some KROWN, and I don't really want to pay myself in this instance, at least. So I'm going to blacklist my account so that my account can't claim the rewards I'm sending out. So my account is csx.io, CSX Corp. I can add that blacklist, puts that to the blockchain. Yay. Great. Now, the interesting thing about depositing and claiming funds is that anyone can be logged in. And in this case, this distribution is rewarding KROWN. Should you have KROWN in your WAX wallet, you could add to this distribution. Likewise, anyone can come in here and press claim. And in this case, the claim happens every 24 hours. So once we claim once, it's not valid for another 24 hours. You can add enough funds in here to last as long as you want. I'll top this up so that this claim, we're giving out 10 rewards, 10 NFT rewards. So they'll be able to claim this reoccurring payment. I'm going to make sure there's enough funds so they can claim it for the next month. Great. Well, stay tuned to our next videos where we're going to show how to send the NFTs that we've created out to reward participants. And we're also going to show that we can set up another promo with a different token and drop to the same category of NFT holders. So that's exciting, and you might see where we're going with this, that should you hold one of these NFTs, there's a good chance you'll be in line for more than just one token drop in your CSX community NFT rewards. Well, thanks everybody. Please stay tuned to our next video, and to participate in our reoccurring distributions and NFTs, please drop your WAX wallet address in the comments below. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.